Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, I saw so many requests in the Vidi Vikura video that I need to react to this song. This is also composed by Sai Abhyankar. This is from Pradeep Ranganathan's upcoming film Dude. This song is called Oram Blood. But the only problem is that there are no subtitles there. Subtitles are there, but it's in Tamil. So it's not like in English translation is not there. I'm just looking at the option. Yeah, it's not there. So somebody will have to tell me what the song actually means. But yeah, this was requested a lot, so I am not going to delay this any further. Let's listen to the song right away. So I was also told I don't know if it's true or not, you guys can let me know, that initially when the song had released, people were kind of like trolling it or something like that, but now apparently people love it. That's what I've been told. If it's true or not, let me know in the comments. Okay, do we have a release date for this? First gear starts now. I love looking at behind the scenes. The beat changed. Oh, are you? Sorry, I'm going back. Like there are such quick beat changes. Oh, I was not expecting that. Let's listen to it again. Okay. And then again there's a change. Beat switch. Okay. Why was this getting trolled if it was? Because it sounds quite fun. Maybe because of the quick beat changes. Ravana, Ravana. That's what it was written there. Sounds quite good. Oh, they pointed at him and they said star. It is a little unusually composed, so maybe because of that, but it sounds quite good. Do they run a cafe or something? That's what it feels like to me. Oh, everything is done by him. Oh, from what? Doodh Diwali. October 17th. All right. So we have a date. We have a date. But we don't have a trailer, right? Otherwise, I would have definitely watched it. Come on. Okay, let me stop this. I wish the English translations were also there, but you guys can give me a little bit summary of what it actually says. So this song, I can understand why in the first listen probably it would not really register in the head like typical songs do, because the melody is quite good, but when you are thrown so many beat changes all of a sudden, like one after the other, like the transition period between the beats are quite quick. So because of that, when you listen to the first time, you might feel, I'm listening to it feeling a little disoriented because there's just way too many changes. It's not flowing. But then I feel there are many songs which have been made like this, where I know for a fact that I have listened to for the first time and thought, yeah, it's not flowing together really well. Like, it sounds weird. That's the only word which is coming in my mind. Weird, not in a bad way. I'm saying it just sounds off to your ears at the first listen. But then when you start listening to it probably the second time or the third time, then you kind of get into the vibe of the song. For this song, I think when the verse comes in, when you see actually Sai kind of singing it, he's only singing it, but when you see him on the frame, basically, they are doing this, you kind of, that's the point where I thought for myself, you get into the groove of the song completely at that point of time. But even then, when I was listening in the beginning also, I was thinking this could be a reason why maybe people would, when they listen to it for the first time, they would think, yeah, it sounds a little bit off to my ears. But because somebody had told me that this song had received like mixed reviews when it had released, so I had that bias in my head before only. So when I started listening to this song, I was looking for these off beat things basically, which I completely got. And then I thought, yeah, actually, because I have that bias in my head, that's why it doesn't sound really off to me, because I thought it was combined really well and it had a good flow to it. There are nice dips and ups in the song in terms of emotion, like it goes and starts with very high energy, then it kind of slows down, then the ending itself is also very energetic and it's very fun. Would have gotten more context if I knew what the actual meaning of the lyrics are. But just from the vibes and the visuals, I'm seeing that, yeah, it has generally overall a fun vibe is what I'm guessing. This is a complete guess, guys. So this is a very, very fun song, I would say, and I think quite well composed. Especially I loved how it ended with, I think, that violin. That was really beautifully done. We have the violin somewhere in between also, but I think that brings a lot of nuance to the entire song, because otherwise, when there are fun songs where people are dancing in this, lot of times you just think that as a composer I might just put a really nice heavy beat and let's just move on and done with it. But listening to Sai from his first song, I think he is a very, very clear-headed composer in that way, where I know for a fact, listening to all of his previous independent songs also, that he likes to bring in different sounds together. So I like that he has kind of experimented here with it and has not gone the route that, okay, yeah, I know what people like in my composition, so I'm just going to do that. So for this song, I would say this is the most different Sai song that I have listened to in terms of beat production, not in terms of singing. Singing, he has a very beautiful, soulful voice. So whatever he sings, he puts his soul into it. But I am saying beat production wise and composition wise, I would say this is very different from all of the songs that I have listened to, all of his independent songs particularly. And because I have just watched and recorded VD Vikura couple of days back only, so this is a complete bang opposite for me, because I've also been listening to VD Vikura on repeat basically. So now that this song has come, it has a very different energy, and that is what I want from composers, to be very honest. I don't want them to do, yeah, this is my success formula, so I'm going to do that. Probably there is one song in this whole movie that probably sounds like one of his older compositions, similar to it, and we get, oh, this is the Sai Abhyankar vibe. But that's not what I want from the entire movie, right? I would want him to always experiment, always push the envelope, where because he's so freaking young. I mean, like, this is just the beginning for him, I would say. He has a really, really brilliant journey ahead of him, and this is what I like to see, to be very honest. So I thought this was a really well composed song, but your opinion can differ. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And that was my reaction to Aurum Blood, and I'm gonna sign off now. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.